Do you need an outlet extender? Like, who doesn't? We have all these things we have to plug in and charge all the time. Stick with me and I'll show you the features of this one. The Ntonpower Power Up Your Life Outlet Extender and Surge Protector QTP series. Here's some specs. Oh, nice. Has a place for C cable, 2 USB ports. You can put 6 electrical outlets in there with grounding poles at different angles. I think you just plug it in, and then that's the stabilizer for the bottom to keep it from wiggling. It's nice features. So it does come with a screw to hold it in. So let me take this one out. Put this in. Put their screw in. See if it will send energy to my favorite curling iron. And it is. See the green light? Cut the light off on my camera so that you can see that the USB port is allowing the C cable to charge my flashlight. Looks like it needed charging, didn't it? So it does work. I like having side options. Actually in the hallway where I keep an emergency light. So I'm just going to plug it into that. And I like having these side options because now you can tell that this is so big that it covers everything on the front. So having these side options to use when I use the vacuum cleaner or the carpet shampooer is really nice. Now when I plug things in and pull them, it doesn't come out. It's perfect. Thank you for watching my video on this outlet extender. Remember to check in the text below, and I'll provide a link on how you can purchase one of these for yourself or someone you care about. Helps me out a little bit if you use that link. If you have time before you go, watch another video and consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing to my channel or playlist that suits your needs. Until next time, let's just help each other solve problems. Thanks.